Thank you again for joining my course. Now I want to take a quick minute to give you a few tips for getting the most out of this course. So first, once you log into Udemy again, just click the My Courses tab in the top nav bar. On this My Courses page, you'll see the course you purchased from us and have lifetime access to it. So don't feel rushed to get through the course quickly. So let's click an example course here. So now we're on the course dashboard. You'll want to click the Course Content tab to start viewing the course. Udemy will highlight the lecture you left off on. But again, you have lifetime access, so you can rewatch lectures as you wish. Next is Q&A. So the Q&A tab, you can click in this field here and search for your question or keyword and see if someone has already asked that question in the past. If not, you can click Ask a New Question, type in your question title and your question right here, and then click Post Question. I typically reply to student questions within 24 to 48 hours. So after completing the course, this is when I like to see students jump in, make suggestions, comment on a lecture they had a question on. This is where I strive to get all students to 5-star satisfied. If you're at anything below a 5-star, I don't want you to rate the course. Have me help you get you to 5 stars. Ask those questions you still have. I've had students blatantly say in this Q&A, hey, I'm at a 4-star right now. I wish I knew more about XYZ. So I created a couple lectures around it, message them back and say, hey, check out lectures so-and-so. They replied to the question, wow, this really clarified it. Thanks again. And they left me a great 5-star review. Being a professional and teaching these subjects, sometimes I leave things out because I assume students know it like me. So I need your feedback and questions to help me create a complete and perfect 5-star course. So once you're 5-star satisfied, click Rate this course, give your input on the course, then scroll down, click Next, write your review, and give us that feedback why you loved the course. Remember, if you're not 5-star satisfied, I don't want to see the reason in this review. Ask me in a Q&A first. Help me solve that problem for you and get you to 5 stars before you leave this review. So then click Publish and Finish. So another benefit of being a Coursenvy student is access to our private Coursenvy community. This is where students ask me questions, interact with other students, and where I share professional tips above and beyond what I share in the courses. So now that you're in a Coursenvy course, you can go to facebook.com/groups/Coursenvy and join our private group. So another common question I get from students is I need a certificate of completion for this course. So here's the Udemy help topic on this. You need to complete every lecture, every PDF, every quiz, everything in that course to get to the completion. So Udemy can supply you with this certificate of completion. So in this example, I've completed 3 of 17 items, so I still have 14 lectures to go before Udemy will give me that certificate of completion. So if for some reason, I've seen this where students get to maybe 16 out of 17, and it's just an error on the Udemy backend. So for that, you'll just want to contact Udemy. Just scroll down and click Support. Just open a support ticket and say, what's the issue? I've completed every lecture, but I'm not getting my certificate of completion. And they'll help you out. So thanks again for joining our course, and I look forward to helping you learn new skills with Coursenvy.